Today we are having a look at how to make $100 per day, and this is part 2. And I've just noticed I have missed off a capital M. Here, look at that. Sorry about that, apologies. So, like I mentioned, this is part 2, so if you missed part 1, I'll drop a link to that down below. You can go ahead and check that out. So in today's video, what can you expect? Well, as always, I'll show you exactly how this works. I'll show you how to set everything up. Now, with this method, again, when I've been trying to do these how to make $100 per day, I'm trying to focus on methods which are available worldwide. So this is no exception. It's available worldwide, and you do not need any skills or experience to get started with this. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because what we'll do is we're going to go over this step by step, and if you miss one of the steps, you won't know how to do this properly. So once we've gone over the steps and set everything up, I'll then show you how you can fast track absolutely everything that we've covered. I'll show you how you can get access to case studies. I'll also share an example of someone who earned over $500 in less than an hour with this method, and believe me, you can earn $500, you can earn over $1,000 with this method, and you can earn a lot more. So make sure you watch this till the end, because I'd hate for you to miss out on this, because basically in this video and this method to earn money, by the end of this you'll know exactly what you need to do, where you need to go, and this has turned into a legitimate business for many people online. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video, and I'll show you this really simple way to make $100 per day from home. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. So this is part 2 in our series of how to make $100 per day. If you missed part 1, don't worry, I'll drop a link to that down below for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you another simple method to start earning over $100 a day. And as always, we'll go over some proof and testimonials with this. And as I mentioned, if you stay till the end, I'll basically show you how you can fast track this entire process. And we'll go over some cool bits to earn more with this method. So let's jump into today's video. So today, we're going to be using a number of websites. The first website we're going to use is this one here, and it's called domainhole.com. So this method that I'm going to share with you today is actually known as domain flipping. And you might be thinking, well, what on earth is domain flipping? So domain flipping is where you go ahead and you purchase a domain and then you flip it for a profit. And you would be incredibly surprised at how cheap you can go ahead and purchase domains for, and then how much you can go and flip them for. And I'll show you an example of that now. So here are some, no, not that one, sorry. Here are some examples here. You can see this one here sold for $700. I've got another one here at $197. Then we've also got another one down here at $297. All of these domains here were purchased for less than $10. So we'll go over this in a little bit. So the website we're going to be using is this one here, and it's called Domainhole. Now you might be thinking, why on earth would somebody go ahead and let their domain expire? Well, there's a number of reasons. Sometimes people might buy a domain with the intention of making a blog or a website on there, and then they just don't get around to completing that, or they don't have the time. Other times what will happen is people simply forget to literally forget to renew their domains. And I've actually had this in the past where a friend of mine, he had his domain for his website, he forgot to renew his domain, and then when he went to his blog, when he went to his website was down because obviously the domain had expired and it was no longer his, and he had to go ahead and purchase that domain back, and he ended up paying I think it was like $622 in it, $624 I think it was, a bit precise. But yeah, he had to go ahead and pay a lot of money to go and basically get back his own domain, and that is because he just didn't keep on top of it of when it was expiring. So to go ahead and find expired domains or domains which are due to expire, you can come over to this website here, and it's called domainhole.com. It's absolutely free to go ahead and get started with. Now you can see on here, you can actually go ahead and filter everything. So you can search by price, you can search by backlinks, you know, how old the domain is. There's lots on here that you can go ahead and use. But basically, the most basic term is you would come on here and you would type in a domain. So let's say, for argument's sake, if you wanted to go ahead and look at a domain in, it can be any niche or topic. So let's go with weight loss and see what comes up for this. So I'm going to click on search domains, and basically it normally takes about 20 to 30 seconds for this to go ahead and update, because obviously it's literally searching through thousands of different domains. So as you can see on here, with the search term weight loss, there's currently 1,171 domains. So in terms of these domains, some of these will be available to purchase today. Some of these will be expiring in a couple of days, so you can go ahead and you can just come through and have a look at all of these. Now on the right hand side here, you've got all of these different columns here. So you've got MOZ, you've got domain authority, page authority, you've got many more on here. You've got links, Alexa ranking, and the price and when it's due to expire. So you can come through on here and purchase domains, but what I will say to you is, in terms of the domains, we'll go through and I'll show you some little tips with this, so you can come through and have a look at these different domains on here, because what this method does is you go ahead, you purchase a domain, and then normally within 24 hours you can go ahead and flip that. So you can just scroll through and have a look at these domains and see if you wanted to go ahead and purchase one of them. And you can see, like in this example here, most of these, they're available on GoDaddy. So this is over on GoDaddy auctions, and I'll show you that in a second. But I mean, 2014weightloss.com, a bit of a bizarre one, but you can see current price is $9,978. But what we're going to do is I'll show you this, but then I'll show you how you can go ahead and actually get that domain that you're thinking of purchasing. You can go ahead and get it valued, because this price here doesn't mean anything. So let's go ahead and have a look at one of these. So 123weightloss.net. Let's look at this one, 10stepweightlossprogram.com. So I'm going to click on here. It's going to open this up for us, and it's going to take us to, oh, so you can see here, we're sorry, but the domain you are looking for is no longer available through auction. So that one has actually gone. I'm not surprised, because that's not a bad domain for $12. So you can see on here, with this example here, it was expiring in 8 days. So what's happened here is the owner has probably gone ahead and updated that, or somebody else has bought it. So let's go ahead and find another one. Let's go with oneweekweightloss.com, and we'll click on there. And this is the process. So all you're going to do on here is you're going to go ahead and find different domains which you would want to potentially go ahead and purchase. This one, bloody hell, this one here is $500. Sorry, let me come out of that one. Let me find another one for you. So what's this one here? No. Let's have a look at this one, 24hourweightloss.com. That seems incredibly cheap, $12. Yeah, you can see that one has actually gone. Let's go a bit further down the page. 30-day weight loss, $400. Let's have a look at this one. So you can see on here, 3dayweightloss.com. It's available to purchase. It's saying on GoDaddy, it's got an estimated value, and this is in Great British pounds, of $173. And you can basically go ahead and place a bid on this. So if you was interested in purchasing this, you would simply go ahead and put a bid in on here. So if you was happy with this website here, or this domain here that you want to go ahead and purchase, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and get a valuation for this, because a lot of the times the price here is actually off. And if I show you this on here, it estimates the true value of each domain by looking at millions, blah blah blah. So this is the estimated price which GoDaddy is giving this domain here. So a website you can use is this one here. It's called freevaluator.com, and all you do on here is you paste in the domain and you click on Valuate. Now you can go ahead and get an account for free on freevaluator.com. You can also sign up. So you can see on here, this one here, 3dayweightlossolution.com. Well, Free Evaluator actually goes ahead and estimates this website to have a value of £19.58. So this is a bit different from the price here which GoDaddy come up with. So GoDaddy come up with £173 and Free Evaluator actually come up with £19.58. So the price in the difference in price is absolutely incredible, isn't it? So that is why you need to go ahead and use this website here. And this is just one website. This is a free website. There's some other websites which I'll go over in a bit for you. So you can see on here, you can see how old this domain is. So it's 1 year old. It's got no Alexa ranking, etc. I'm going to scroll down here. So if if the domain you was purchasing, if it was linked to a website or anything, it would show things like on here like social shares, where it's ranked within Google and other bits. So on here, the process is this. So you would go and look for expired domains. Now, domain hole is just one website. Once you've gone through and you're having a look at some of these and you're thinking about purchasing them, before you go over to well, you can go ahead and have a look at this in GoDaddy if it's available. You then go over to a free website or free domain valuator. You get the price on here. Once you're happy with that and you've purchased that, the next part of this process is you would simply be flipping it. So let me go and show you where you can do that. So this is a website called flippa.com. Now on here you can go ahead, you can buy domains on here as well, but you can also sell them, and also on Flippa there's also things like you can go ahead and purchase websites and domain names, apps, and lots more. So we'll just focus on domain names. So if you scroll down here, you can see on the left hand side you've got editor's choice. So these are all domains which are available, which the editors are promoting. You've then got domains here where the reserve has been met, and then on the right hand side you've got ending soon. So again, you could do this process on this website. You could come on ending soon, have a look at these domains on here, take them over to the free valuator, put them in there and see how much they're actually worth or how much the valuation is. And then once you're happy with that, you simply go ahead and purchase them. But like there's one here, topcooking.net. It's going for $1. But let me go ahead and show you an example of one of these. So let's go ahead and have a look at this one here, topcooking.net. Let's see what the information is on this website here, topcooking.net, comments. There's not a lot of information available on there, to be honest with you. So let's go back, let's have a look at another one. Let's go and find one where it's got a decent reserve. So let's go and have a look at this. Productdelivery.com. It's currently at its reserve of $200. So you can see here, this domain here, the age of the domain, so it's 17 years old. It expires in 12 months. So this example here, somebody will have gone ahead and purchased this domain, as you can see, because when you purchase the domain, you can get it for a year. So they've purchased this domain and they're simply going ahead and flipping it. So you can see 17 years old, around 20k monthly search for this keyword up here, product delivery. So if you scroll down here, you can see it'll give you more information about this. It shows you the search stats on here, why should I buy this domain, etc, etc. It's got similar searches, after sales, and then you've got payment options. Now let me go ahead and show you this. I bet this buyer is Flippa. Yeah, as you can see here. So this person here, this is the seller. You can see so far over on Flippa, they have gone ahead and had 60 transactions totaling $33,000. So they're going ahead and doing this method what I've shown with you today. They're buying domains, they're flipping them, and then literally profiting the difference between what they paid for it and how much they sold it for on Flippa. Now that is just a few different websites that you can use. These are all the free versions, like really simple free websites that you can go ahead and use. But I said to you at the beginning of this video, if you watched it till the end, I'll show you how you can fast track this entire method. I'll show you how you can make more and show you some examples of that. And this is the product or the course which I wanted to talk to you about. It's called 60-minute flips, and this is the sales page. And don't worry, because this product here, I've purchased this, I've gone through this course, it is incredibly cheap as well. If I scroll down here, you've got all of these examples on here of different domains that he bought, and then he flipped them. He also did a case study very quickly where he earned, you can see on here, he did all of this in less than 5 minutes. He earned $47. But if I scroll down here, you can see you can actually go ahead and get access to this full course for $7. But let's go over what you get. So you get on here, basically, you get an hour and a half replay of Lance is a course creator, of his one-on-one domain flipping. So in this, and you can go ahead and purchase his, basically you can go ahead and purchase his coaching for $97 if you want to. But on here you get an hour and a half replay of his one-on-one domain flipping. You get 18 easy to follow videos, and then you also get an additional bonus cases. So these are all examples where he went ahead, got domains, and he flips them over on Warrior Plus. There's 11 videos on there. So in total you're getting 29 videos of this training, and then you get an hour and a half replay of his one-on-one coaching. And then there's lots of testimonials on here because Lance does this for a living. This is his full-time job, and if you go through here you can see all these different testimonials on here from people who have gone ahead and basically either purchased this course and implemented what he teaches, or from his one-on-one coaching. There's lots of testimonials on here. So you can see on here, this will cost you today $6.95. It will go a hell of a lot more in depth than what I've done in this video with you. It will show you how, not only how to buy these, but how to set everything up, different websites to use, how to fast track this whole method, and lots more. So as always, this morning I was going through different resources that I've got available and basically looking at how I can go ahead and give you some bonuses if you go ahead and purchase this to help you earn money online. So in terms of this course here, it is complete, as in from start to finish. There's literally, he doesn't leave anything out. He goes over everything in so much detail, and because you're getting 29 videos, there really wasn't much more to add to this. So I went through some bonuses that I could go ahead and give to you, and what I've come up with is this. So let me scroll down here and I'll show you this. So I've come up with some additional methods to start earning $100 a day for you. So this is the first bonus I have got. It's called Mobily, and this is basically, this is a full course, and it will show you how you can earn $100 a day using your smartphone. It walks you through the process, how to set this up, and it's got case studies included for you. So you'll get access to this full course as well. The next bonus I've got for you, again, is how to make $100 a day from your laptop with free traffic. Full course on here. This course here is about 3 hours in total, and again, it will just show you another method to earn $100 a day. Bonus number 3 I've got for you is 0 to 100 in 24 hours. Again, full course on here. You can see this is inside the members area, exactly how it looks. It gives you several methods to earn $100 a day in 24 hours. And then the final bonus I've got for you is called Easy Passive Income. And this will show you how you can earn $100 a day and more with simple websites, and it shows you how to set them up, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and basically once you go through Anthony's training, you'll know exactly what you need to do, where you need to go, how to set everything up. But it's a very good course, this one. This is one of my favorite courses that I have taken in the past. So you will get access to this bonus here, this full course, this one, and this one, and then obviously you'll get access to the full 60-minute flips from Lance, where you go ahead, you get all of this on here. But then also, if you have to go ahead and purchase this and you didn't like it for whatever reason, you can see on here it actually comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So that is pretty much today's video. One last thing, if you do go ahead and purchase this, all of the bonuses that I've provided for you, all of these on here, they will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus. Now, if I go ahead and show you this, let me scroll this up the page a little bit more. You can see when you go inside of Warrior Plus, all you do is you go into your account, click on Access My Purchases, then you'll see this blue box here, Access Affiliate Bonus. Click on there and it will give you a link to my blog where you will be able to go ahead and get access to all of the bonuses that we have mentioned in this video. But for just for the course alone, for $7, it's incredible value. You'll go ahead and basically, if you're looking to earn $100 a day with this method here, you can absolutely do so. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any comments, leave them down below for me. But thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.